Hello, sorry for
Hello.
the hello, yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, now my presentation. Additionally, ability to read and interpret manual instruction had taken on a new level of significance as technology advancement. Okay, here are the topics. The future job involving new skills requirement. The World Economic Forum states that future jobs report consistently highlights a transformative impact on automation, artificial intelligence, and digitalization of employment. By 2030, nearly one third of current occupation might be significantly altered or rendered obsolete. Emerging industries such as renewable energy, biotech, and AI-driven enterprise demand workers who can decipher complex documentation. Whether this need for technical schematics, software coding manuals, or procedural guidelines. The expanding scope of literacy in the modern world, literacy has transcended its rational boundaries to encompass a broader set of skills essential for navigating contemporary life. Functional literacy, which includes data, the ability to read and interpret in everyday text such as manuals and guides, remain indispensable. However, digital literacy focus on analyzing, questioning information have gained prominence. This multifaceted form of literacy enables individuals to adapt to shifting societal and economic landscapes. The recent definition, digital literacy, the use technology effectively, media literacy, the capacity to critically analyze media content, difference between credible and unreliable information. Data literacy, understanding and interpreting data, graph, and statistical information to make informed decisions. Cultural literacy, awareness of diverse perspectives and the ability to engage in global conversations. Now, this is the functional literacy, mastering ability to read and interpret instruction manuals. Why this skill matters? We need to focus on workplace competence, problem solving, and safety. So this is the barrier of the functional literacy. Complex language instruction manuals often use technical jargon that can be intimidating. Lack of context, without clear underlying concept, instruction can seem abstract and confusing. And inadequate training, traditional education rarely emphasizes the skill of interpreting technical documents. So functional literacy in the age of AI. So we have to focus on adaptive learning platform, natural language processing, and gamification. So the functional literacy requirement for the future job market, technical proficiency, interdisciplinary knowledge, lifelong learning, and the emerge of automation, AI, and other technical advancement has fundamentally altered the nature of work. Routine and repetitive tasks historically performed by humans are increasingly being delegated to machines. Consequently, the job market now produces roles that require higher order cognitive skills, creativity, and adaptability. In the future job markets, the ability to comprehend and apply information from instructional text such as technical manuals or procedural guides will remain a core competency. The skills facilitate the effective operation of machinery adherent to safety protocol. Profession in data analysis, design, and digital context creation require individuals to interpret sophisticated text, diagram, and algorithms. Thus, the demand advanced literacy capabilities. Functional literacy in the digital age focus on while on traditional focus on decoding symbol and natural language. Technology has progressed, literacy has been encompassed a range of skills. In today's society, digital literacy is critical component of overall literacy, defined the ability to access, evaluate, and use information from digital sources such as websites, apps, social media, and social media platform. Others, we need to critically analyze messages from a variety of media formats, including television, radio, and online content. we have to care that the world now interactive multimodal learning environment. So that's why teachers need to integrate technology into their classroom to equip them with skills necessary to thrive digital world. As technology continues to evolve, literacy education must adapt to this change. The focus must shift from teaching students how to read and write in traditional ways to teaching them how to navigate and interact with digital environment. So we have to prepare educators for the future, professional development, collaboration with industry, and focus on equity. Education, uh, functional literacy, and critical thinking. Uh, Education serves as concern of societal progress. Among these skills, functional literacy and critical thinking emerge as pivotal competencies, enduring learners can effectively engage with practical test-informed education. Together, they form from the bedrock of transformative and empowering educational experience. Uh, Functional literacy defined as the ability to read, write, and interpret information from practical purposes. It encompasses the capacity to comprehend instruction, text as manuals, schedules, guides. Thus, educational system must emphasize real-world application literacy to prepare learners for the modern societal demands. Okay, the equally essential is critical thinking. Critical thinking enables individuals to assess individual validative information. These skills are particularly vital in the age characterized by information overload and rapid technological advancement. Integrating functional literacy and critical thinking into educational framework